Alright, so here is a brand new, what looks to be an Ameristar, but it's actually an AC Pro heat pump. LG scroll with a crankcase heater. This replaced a 2014 nordyne, or actually it was an AC Pro as well, with a rotary compressor. Oh geez, what year is this thing? It's a 2.5 ton. I don't know what year it is. Usually that would be the serial number, but those numbers don't add up to a year. No idea. Serial number. It might be from 2022. I'm just gonna say it's from 2022 because it looks pretty much brand new. 14 SEER. Oh, it's 14 to 16. This is a 15 SEER. Okay. Interesting unit. Even though it's just an Ameristar. Alright. There's that old Amana right there. I'm gonna get a separate video of that. So, thanks for watching.